Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my class. Today in this video we will discuss about the most important communication skills. You may probably think the most important communication skills is speaking skills. Of course that is, but there is one thing which fetch you the job. One important skill. Now try to answer for the following question. So what is your feeling if you have received a message saying you have completed 95% to get job? What do you think, which you didn't attend an interview, neither a group discussion, nor you met personally someone, a representative from the company, but you have received a message because there is something that you applied for. Application which means. So what do you think will play a major role to get a job? You may think interview. You say interview is a lot screening process. There is something screening process starts with. What is that? You may think maybe personal interview, maybe group discussion. No. So here the question itself says there is something that we are going to deal. So what do you think is the most writing skill do you think help you get a job? So today, of course, we are touching one of the writing skills. But let me tell you, writing skills makes you the best perfect person, perfect professional person. In day to day, nowadays, in professional world, it is not important to have speaking, oral communication or oral communication. But it is more important to have writing communication because most of all professional companies, professional jobs, professional employability deal with writing skills only. See, you tell me, in a business world, how do you think an authentic business communication is conveyed? Because of this, an information is being conveyed authentically, professionally in a business world is through letters. Through letters. So today, we are going to discuss about letter writing. Dear students, let's get go with it. So types of letters. We have, maybe you may think types of letters are two types. Those are formal letters and informal letters. We know we have studied in our schooling. Formal letters are the letters which we write in business, which are professional, which have the professional etiquette. We choose the proper vocabulary and we only write whatever things are necessary, blah 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 in professional. Formal letter. Informal letters are the letters which you write to our dears, nearest friends, and there is no etiquette, there is no boundary, unlimited words are used and words can be used randomly, informal words, blah 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 for informal letter. But the types of letters which we are going to touch in this video are letters of complaint. Everyone should know, as a professional student, you should know how to write a complaint letter, how to write cover letter, which is job application letter, how to write Thanksgiving letter. So these are the letters you probably are come across new, I guess. Have you ever heard Thanksgiving letters also existed? Of course. In professional world, these things are existed. Letters of requesting. Ordering goods, groceries or something. Letters of suggestions. Letter of invitation. You see, etc. It goes on and on. Whenever you want to convey a message in business world, professionally, whatever thing it is related to are called business letters. So the things which I introduce are formal, informal letters. See, I already told you what are the formal letters and informal letters. So I don't have to give you a perfect introduction, what are formal, what are informal. Have a glance over it. Okay, dear students, let's go to the next slide. So basically we are discussing about formal letter. Every letter has etiquette. I told you since it is dealing with professional and business world, let us have its etiquette, proper template, proper format. So there is only one common template for each letter that I introduce the types of letters, but content may vary, intention may differ from other letters. So the format of letter writing we have divided into stepwise. I'll give you the full template format at the end of this presentation. But before it, we have to know what are the steps required. Step 1, that is heading. Step 2, subject. Step 3, salutation. Step 4, body of the letter, content. Step 5, closing complimentary. Step 6, sender's address. These days everything got changed into electronic mails, electronic messages. Those are eventually called e-mails, electronic mails. Everything is depending on electronic mails. We have to discuss about emails actually. These letters are fading off, maybe disappear in the future days. But since we are professional students, we have to know the writing content. The content is not changing from writing physically to typing something on the screen. That is not getting changed. Heading may change, but subject is not changing. Salutation is not changing. Closing complimentary is not changing. Heading, what you do, you write on the to address here. The same to address, you will write to address email when you write on Gmail, Ymail, Hotmail, constructive constitutions like institutions, organizational mails. Okay, dear students, I divide the format of the letter into our bodies. Like our body may resemble the format of the letter. I told you head. The forehead deals with to address. The nose deals with date. The mouth or chin deals with from address. The neck deals with the neck, shoulder. The neck deals with subject. The shoulder, hands deal with salutation, because we give greetings, shake hand. Don't give shake hand these days. So our body part, chest, stomach, our body part deals with body of the letter, content, in which we write introduction, main content, main message, and conclusion. It's something like chest, stomach, the belly, hip, belly. Now we go down to thighs. Next one, closing complimentary. Closing complimentary is where you write on sincerely, yours faithfully, your name, designation, or something there. You write your name. So that is like, closing something. When you go out, it closes. So I resemble it with our human part, foot. Sometimes not only you write your name, along with your name, you leave your signature. That is a symbol of yourself. So leaving signature is like toe, your foot toe, button wear or something like that. Because as we leave thumb impression. So this is how I divided letter format into our body parts. Dear students, in the next video we'll discuss about what we need to write. Step 1, and I'll give examples. Step 2, step 3, step 4. We'll discuss more about it. And I'll also give you the examples. Thank you, students. Learn well. Stay home. Good day.